Are you avoiding squats because they feel uncomfortable, intimidating, or confusing? Many people skip squats entirely or perform them with poor technique without realizing how important this movement is for the human body. In today's video, we're going to take a deep look at why squats matter, the benefits of squatting, the different types of squats, how often you should do them, and how to include them safely and effectively in your routine. By the end of this video, you will understand why squats are considered one of the most powerful exercises for strength, health, and long-term fitness. Squats are a fundamental human movement pattern. Long before gyms existed, humans squatted to rest, work, lift objects, and move efficiently. Sitting down and standing up from a chair is essentially a squat. This means squatting is not an artificial gym exercise, but a natural movement the body is designed to perform. Training squats helps preserve this natural ability and prevents the loss of mobility and strength that often comes with a sedentary lifestyle. Squats primarily train the lower body, including the quadriceps, glutes, and hamstrings. These muscles are among the largest and strongest in the body and are responsible for producing force, supporting posture, and enabling movement. In addition to the legs, squats heavily engage the core muscles to stabilize the spine and maintain balance. The lower back, calves, and even the upper back contribute to proper squat mechanics. Because so many muscles are involved, squats are considered a compound exercise with full body benefits. One of the biggest benefits of squats is increased lower body strength. Strong legs improve performance in nearly every physical activity, from walking and running to jumping and lifting. Squats strengthen the muscles that support the knees and hips, which helps reduce the risk of injury and joint pain. Strong glutes play a key role in stabilizing the pelvis and protecting the lower back, making squats especially important for people who experience back discomfort. Squats also have a major impact on posture. Weak glutes and core muscles can lead to poor posture and movement compensation. Squatting with proper form strengthens these muscles and teaches the body to maintain an upright and stable position. Over time, this carries over into better posture during daily activities and other exercises. Another important benefit of squats is improved mobility and flexibility. Squats require coordinated movement at the hips, knees, and ankles. Performing squats through a comfortable range of motion helps maintain joint health and reduces stiffness. Many people lose squat mobility due to prolonged sitting, which shortens the hip flexors and weakens the glutes. Regular squatting helps reverse these effects and restore natural movement patterns. Squats are also extremely effective for building muscle mass because they involve large muscle groups and allow for progressive overload. Squats stimulate muscle growth more efficiently than isolation exercises. Increased muscle mass supports metabolism and overall body composition. Squats are also effective for fat loss because they demand high energy output, especially when performed with moderate to heavy loads or higher volume. Squats provide significant benefits for bone health. Weight-bearing exercises stimulate bone remodeling and help increase bone density. This is particularly important for aging populations, as maintaining bone strength reduces the risk of fractures and osteoporosis. If you find this video helpful and informative, please support the Healthy Pantry channel by leaving your comment below, liking this video, and subscribing for more daily health and nutrition tips. Squats also improve balance and coordination, which helps prevent falls and supports independence later in life. There are many different types of squats, and each variation serves a purpose. Bodyweight squats are ideal for beginners and can be performed anywhere. They help develop basic movement mechanics, balance, and coordination. Goblet squats involve holding a weight in front of the body, which encourages proper posture and deeper squat positions. Back squats place the weight on the upper back and allow for heavier loads, making them excellent for building maximal strength. Front squats position the weight in front of the body and increase core engagement while emphasizing the quadriceps. Sumo squats use a wider stance and target the inner thighs and glutes. Split squats and Bulgarian split squats train one leg at a time, improving balance, coordination, and muscle symmetry. Box squats help control depth and improve squat technique. Each variation places slightly different demands on the body, and rotating squat variations can improve overall development and reduce overuse injuries. Proper squat technique is essential for safety and effectiveness. A good squat begins with a stable stance and controlled movement. The feet should be planted firmly, the core engaged, and the spine maintained in a neutral position. The knees should track naturally with the toes, and the hips should move smoothly through the movement. Depth should be determined by individual mobility, not forced range of motion. Squatting deeper over time as mobility improves is safer and more effective than forcing depth too early. Breathing also plays an important role in squatting. Proper breathing helps stabilize the core and support the spine. Learning to control breathing during squats improves performance and safety, especially as load increases. One of the most common questions is how often squats should be performed. The ideal frequency depends on goals, experience, and recovery ability. For most people, squatting 2 to 3 times per week is enough to build strength and muscle. Beginners may benefit from practicing squats more frequently with lighter loads to develop technique and confidence. Advanced lifters may squat more often by varying intensity, volume, and squat variations. Squats can also be included in daily movement routines using body weight or light resistance. Daily squatting can improve mobility, circulation, and movement quality without placing excessive stress on the body. Recovery is a critical part of squat training. Because squats place significant demand on the muscles and nervous system, adequate recovery is essential. Sleep, hydration, and proper nutrition all support recovery and performance. Listening to your body and adjusting training intensity helps prevent overtraining and injury. Squats are not just for athletes or bodybuilders. They are for anyone who wants to move better, feel stronger, and maintain long-term health. Learning to squat properly builds confidence and resilience. Squats improve quality of life by making everyday movements easier and safer. Progress in squatting should be gradual and consistent. Adding small amounts of weight, improving technique, or increasing range of motion over time leads to sustainable results. Squats may feel challenging at first, but with practice, they become more comfortable and rewarding. Consistency and patience are key. Squats are more than just an exercise. They are a foundation for movement and strength. If you want to build a strong, capable, and durable body, squats should be a regular part of your routine. Over time, the benefits of squatting extend far beyond the gym, supporting better health, performance, and confidence for years to come. Thank you for joining us here at the Healthy Pantry. We hope you found the information valuable and inspiring. Remember, your health is a journey, and we are here to guide you every step of the way. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.